In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record transfer in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever moved money between your own accounts, like from checking to savings or from a bank account to a credit card, you'll want that movement reflected accurately in QuickBooks Online. Recording it as a transfer keeps your books clean because it doesn't create income or expense. It simply moves money from one account to another so your balances and reconciliations stay correct. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online company. From the main dashboard, look for the plus new button at the top. Give that a click. In the menu that opens, head to the other section and choose Transfer. This is the form designed specifically for moving funds internally, so you won't have to worry about categorizing it as an expense or deposit. You'll see two key fields. First, transfer funds from. This is the account the money is leaving. Think of it as the source. Pick the exact bank, savings, or credit card account that shows the decrease on your bank statement. Choosing the right source matters because it drives the starting side of the transaction in your registers. Next, transfer funds to. This is the destination account receiving the money. Select the account that will show the increase. For example, if you're paying down a credit card from your checking account, you transfer from the checking account to the credit card account. Make sure these two accounts are different. Transferring to the same account won't make sense and can cause reconciliation issues. Enter the amount exactly as it appears on your bank or card statement. Use a positive number and include cents so it matches to the penny. Accuracy here helps QuickBooks automatically find and match the transaction later when your bank feed brings it in. Choose the date. The transfer occurred at the bank. Consistency between QuickBooks and your statement date makes monthly reconciliations smoother. If you're catching up after the fact, use the posting date shown by your financial institution. When everything looks right, click Save and Close. QuickBooks will reduce the balance in the source account and increase the balance in the destination account. No impact to your profit and loss, just a clean movement on your balance sheet. A few quick tips as you finish up. Double check that you selected the correct accounts and date, especially if you manage multiple checking or savings accounts with similar names. If you see this transfer later in your banking tab from the bank feed, match it rather than adding a new transaction to avoid duplicates. That's all there is to it. You've successfully recorded a transfer in QuickBooks Online, keeping your